Hello everyone, I am Moumita Ghosh. Welcome to my channel Bake and Cook. Today I am sharing a recipe of instant noodles with hot and spicy chili garlic oil. This recipe also known as Korean style noodles. Before starting the recipe, I would like to request you, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell button. Your every subscription matters to me. It encourages me to post new videos and recipes. First, boil some instant noodles in a medium-sized pan. You can take any instant noodles. I have taken Maggi for this recipe. Cook the noodles as per instruction written on the packet. Maggi takes only 2 minutes to be cooked. Strain the cooked noodles using a large strainer and keep aside. Now chop some spring onion. First, remove the root part and then chop it. We mainly need the green part of the spring onion. Now chop one green chili. This is optional. If you don't like the flavor of green chili in your chili garlic noodles, you can skip it. Now peel the garlic pods. Crush 2-3 cloves of garlic with a garlic crusher. In a bowl, take crushed garlic, chopped green chili, chopped spring onion in it. Now add some chili flakes and red chili powder. You can use Kashmiri red chili powder instead of hot chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, white vinegar and half packet of instant noodles masala. Now mix everything using a spoon. Heat 1/4 of vegetable oil and add it. In a separate bowl, add some chili powder, chili flakes and some crushed garlic and add the hot oil in it. Now mix the chili garlic oil very well using a spoon. Add the cooked noodles into the chili garlic oil bowl and mix everything using 2 forks. Now pour the chili garlic noodles on a serving plate and enjoy it as it is. Or you can make a chili garlic oil poached egg and enjoy it with the poached egg. For the poached egg, heat some chili oil in a frying pan. Break an egg in the pan with the yolk intact. Sprinkle some salt and add some chili oil on the top of the egg. Now cook the poach covered for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take the poach out of the pan and serve on the chili garlic noodles. Sprinkle some chopped green spring onion, chili garlic oil and some white sesame seed on the hot chili garlic noodles and serve it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for regular updates. Bye for now. See you soon with another video.